What's up, Survivor Squad? It's your girl talkswithty, and I am back with another DIY. In today's video, I will be taking these men jeans and turning them into a two-piece set with a bralette. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the rest of this video. First, I started by cutting them into shorts. I'm going to be making boyfriend shorts because these are big around the waist. They're going to be a little bit baggy, but that's the way that I want them to be. I already marked where I'm going to be putting my holes at off of camera, and now I'm going to go ahead and just start cutting them out. I did add more holes to the shorts after I filmed, so they might look a little bit different once I end the video. Then right here, what I'm doing is ripping the seam. I do go a little bit closer. Well, I zoom in so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. I'm doing this because I want the back pocket to kind of hang a little bit. So yeah, this is going to give it that effect. Now what I'm doing is I'm giving it that distress effect by pulling each piece of thread separately. You guys, this is very, very, very tedious. It took me about 5 hours to make this outfit, but the majority of the time I was doing this right here. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the same exact thing to the front that I did to the back. The finishing product of me going ahead and ripping those threads one by one. Again, this did take a very long time, so I did not film that part. I'm going to take the iron and iron the back of that pocket just to give it a little crease to help it dangle and flap a little bit better. Now I'm going to be taking the bottom half of those jeans and I'm going to cut them open just so I can give myself more fabric for when we do the bralette. As you can see, it created more fabric for me. Now I'm going to go ahead and measure the outline of my boobs so I can make the bralette. There is an easier way to do this if you don't know how to take measurements, and that is doing what I do in my previous videos and taking another top that looks exactly how you want to make this one and just trace around it. Right now I'm going to go ahead, well, I already cut out one triangle. It wasn't filming, so what I'm doing now is placing that one on top of my fabric, and I pinned it down. That way I can create another one and make sure that they're going to be the same exact size. Once everything gets cut out, I'm going to go ahead and take those triangles and create a crease with the iron, and that's going to eliminate how rough it is around the edges. We're going to create a better looking seam because I'm not going to sew it closed. I'm going to take the other half of the pants leg and cut that to create the bottom half of my bralette. And then I'm also going to use the rest of that to make my straps towards the end as well. make sure when you're doing this part that you place your triangles exactly where they're supposed to be. I kind of messed up right there, and I kind of messed up with my straps as well, but hey, I'm a guru and I'm gonna get better, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to get better as well. The most important thing about this piece that I created here was the measurements. Like, you have to measure the strap, and one little mess up on the measurements can kind of mess up the whole thing. So make sure that you take your time when you're creating this. Don't rush it through. Once I finish adding the straps, I am 100% done with this outfit. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. And once again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the Survivor Squad.